This isn't just another industry convention. This is the SAIA Annual Convention and Exposition. Whether you're coming for education, networking, innovation, leadership, safety, or just reconnecting with industry friends, there's something here for everyone. Spend your days exploring the latest technology, product innovations, safety advancements, and industry solutions. Then, spend your evenings enjoying everything Nashville has to offer with the people who make the industry special. SAIA has always been more than business. It's a community, a place where relationships are built, friendships grow, and the next generation of industry leaders gets inspired. SAIA makes it even easier to bring the people you love along for the experience. Through our guest connection activities, your family and guests can enjoy special events, networking opportunities, and unforgettable Nashville experiences right alongside you. Because the best events are the ones shared together. From educational sessions and product demos to networking receptions, leadership conversations, the exhibit hall, the gala, and everything in between. The SAIA convention schedule is packed with opportunities to learn, connect, and have fun. Come for the convention, stay for the connections. Leave inspired. Join us in Nashville for the SAIA Annual Convention and Exposition. Bring your team, bring your family, bring your future. We can't wait to see you there.